When a lawn containing a leach field becomes unsightly, swampy, and has a foul odor, this is the red flag which will eventually draw the Department of Health, the area's Environmental Protection Agency, and possibly the Conservation Office. The concern the Department of Health would have is for the welfare of neighbors, their visitors, pets, and the occupants of the land affected by ground-treated sewage. If this condition has not affected the plumbing, developed a sewer backup, people will tend to try and live with it. For this reason, the local Department of Health will begin to take action to ensure the failed system is in repair or replaced. The extent of this action is to demand weekly pumping of the septic tank, levy fines, eviction, and condemning the property. The concern of the local conservation office is to have protected land restored to its original state. Effluent moves from the tank to be absorbed by the ground around the leach field. The particulate biological material carried in the effluent is literally strained off by the soil in the leach field as the water is absorbed by the earth. When the anaerobic bacteria in the ground can no longer keep up with the amount of biomat, the biomat hardens and a slime is also formed in the soil. The dirt has no more ability to absorb effluent. Therefore, the leach field is said to be in a state of failure. For most people who wait for this to happen, the local health department may enforce replacement of the leach field. Converting your septic system into a Pirana system has the power to restore leach fields in a failed or failing state. The Pirana system keeps all systems clean naturally. The Pirana system keeps the effluent in the tank supplied with dissolved oxygen and Pirana's special blend of facultative anaerobe. Pirana's microbes leave the septic tank with the waste to the leach field. Pirana's microbes prevent biomat from building in the soil and will multiply and reproduce in the leach field to consume the biomat that has previously been deposited and accumulated in the earth. Pirana, simple and inexpensive septic solutions.